Yeah, you can see the front leg.
Yeah, you got a strong pulse.
So it's cut off, cut off, cut off, cut off,
Yeah.
cut off, cut off, cut
Yeah, okay.
So it's 120,
122, yeah, right. There's no odd number.
Oh, okay.
What do we
even?
Yeah, there's no odd number. If you get there with a odd number, you're gonna get a funny look.
Oh, it was 125 already.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, you don't.
Like 125 and a half.
That's kind of fair. I can see that little thing move, so I know about. I want to see this one. That's when you guys around there. Don't lean it, especially right now. Because like, even if you see it, pump it again. Don't, because I saw it.